There he is.
You did.
That's a good one. Got one on the drop shot. Didn't think it could be done.
An 8-pound test, oh my gosh!
Show him off. We're not even gonna weigh him, but show him off anyway. Drop shot. Hello and welcome to Bass Fishing 202. I'm your host, Lance Perticone. I normally think of drop shotting as a clear water technique. On this day at Lake of the Pines, my buddy Justin Snow gave me a lesson by showing me how effective the drop shot can be in dirty water. And by dirty water, I'm talking visibility of 16 inches or so. Now we were fishing in 5 to 7 feet of water, and there was a bit of a breeze blowing, so Justin was using a 1/4 ounce sinker that really helped him keep contact with the bottom. And what he was throwing was a 6-inch robo worm in Morning Dawn color. Now, honestly, I've always thought of Morning Dawn as being a clear water color, but that's the second lesson he taught me because it was very effective. It was late in our fishing day, and the moving bait bite had pretty well tailed off when Justin switched to this drop shot rig. 2 of his last 3 fish were over 4 pounds and really gave a boost to our already 20-pound plus limit.
That's a good one.
Fish number 2 on drop, 3 on drop shot. Now our limit is drop shot 23.93.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. I love it.
In my next lesson, I'll show you the rest of the day that gave us such a good weight, including my first 7-pound bass of the year. In the meantime, be prepared to throw that drop shot rig even in dirty water if the bite gets a little stingy. So thanks for spending a little of your time with me in Bass Fishing 202. Remember, just a little more advanced than Bass Fishing 101. Thank you for subscribing. May you be blessed, and I'll see you all next time.
Drop shot.